The most well-known way to make money on YouTube is through the YouTube Partner Program. Once your channel meets the eligibility requirements, which typically include a certain number of subscribers and watch hours, you can apply to monetize your videos with ads. This means YouTube will place advertisements on your content, and you'll earn a share of the revenue generated from those ads. The amount you earn can vary based on factors like ad rates, viewer demographics, and the type of content you create. For many faceless channels, ad revenue forms a foundational part of their income, steadily growing as the channel gains more views and subscribers. Affiliate marketing is another powerful monetization strategy for faceless channels. This involves recommending products or services and including special affiliate links in your video descriptions or pinned comments. When a viewer clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This can be highly effective for channels that review products, offer tutorials using specific tools, or discuss topics where related products are relevant. For example, a tech tutorial channel could link to the software they are demonstrating, or a channel about book summaries could link to where viewers can buy the books. Authenticity is key. Only recommend products you genuinely believe in to maintain trust. Selling your own merchandise or digital products is a fantastic way to diversify your income and build a stronger brand. This could include physical merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, or posters related to your channel's theme. Alternatively, you could create and sell digital products such as ebooks, templates, online courses, stock footage packs, or preset collections. For a faceless channel, the products can be directly tied to the value you provide. For instance, an educational channel could sell a comprehensive course, or a channel using unique animations could sell animation templates. This method gives you more control over your earnings compared to ad revenue. Sponsorships and brand deals offer another lucrative avenue for monetization. As your channel grows and establishes an engaged audience, brands may reach out to you for sponsored content. This could involve creating a dedicated video about their product or service, or integrating a mention into your regular content. For faceless channels, the brand alignment with your content niche is crucial. Brands will be interested in reaching your specific audience. It's important to be transparent with your viewers about sponsored content. Negotiating fair rates and working with brands that genuinely fit your channel's values will lead to successful and sustainable partnerships, boosting your income significantly.